What's going on, miners? Jump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today I want to talk about my solar setup. Now, I love where it is, but what I'm trying to figure out for the winter time, I don't know if I should get these batteries that are in this trailer into my house. All right, so this is my dilemma. I have all these batteries right here right now, not doing anything. I don't have any miners running because I ran into an issue with this mini Doge. Now, the mini Doge miner running straight off of DC, like right here, this little converter, that works great, but unfortunately there's nothing to shut this thing off unless I come in here at night and I unplug it, because this unit will just go off, you know, saying that the battery bank's too low, and these will continue to drain because it's pulling directly from the batteries itself. Now, obviously, yeah, that's an issue. And then on top of it, when it gets cold in the wintertime, if I'm not mining with anything else, with like grid power or just solar power or whatever, these batteries, they could be damaged if they're charged in the cold weather. And now with that being said, if I'm gonna be running miners for winter heat, I need that winter heat in my house, not in my solar trailer. So I honestly think I might have to convert this stuff into the house and then back out here for the summertime. Kind of sucks, it's kind of a big project, but I need to know your guys' thoughts. I wanna know what you guys think about these being in the house. I'm kind of nervous about it because lithium-ion batteries, obviously we know that they're kind of dangerous, but I think it should be okay if I put them in a red rack down in my basement. Let's go in there and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, I apologize for the noise. It's a little messy down here, and that jazz miner is going away in the office behind me, but I'm thinking putting the battery banks right here. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Let me know what you guys think about that. But if I do that, then I can put my actual inverter somewhere on the wall. Like, I could probably put it on this wall. Now I think about it. I don't know. I haven't finished this wall yet. As you can see, I got the door there. I gotta get this all situated at some point. But I need the heat for the grow tent in the winter. Right now, there's a bunch of crap in here, so don't mind that. But that will be obviously all cleaned out and gonna be resituated with all the box miners for the heat. I just think it's a great idea to get the battery banks in here. That way I know they're warm, I know they're not going to break, and on top of it, I'll be able to use it for winter heat as usual. So yeah, that's my thoughts right there. So overall, I think that's a good idea, but looking at this wire, the only thing that sucks, that wire that runs all the way across going to my trailer is now going to have to go even further all the way across into the side of my house, and then that's going to have to go into the basement all the way over to where the batteries are going to be. So I'm going to have like an extra, I don't even know, 50 or even maybe 100 feet of loss from these solar panels. So that comes into my next question. Do you guys think I should maybe put poles in my backyard? My wife is gonna freaking kill me. She's gonna kill me. I can already see it. But if I put poles over there and I transfer those solar panels that are way over there over to that side, and I have them come up under the deck into the actual back of the house, the battery bank's going to be like over there under the slider. So I think that might be a good move, and then it'll be in the sun more than half the day because the sun rises and it's basically hitting over there all day long. Might be a good idea, but that kind of sucks having them in my backyard. But I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm just kind of torn about this because that's obviously kind of a crappy location, having the sun, you know, rise and only hit them at noontime, and then it's now setting over there, which is kind of throwing things off. And I think I'll get more sun over my backyard there. But either way, appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry for the short video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Appreciate you for watching. Peace.